Hello everyone, it's Joanne from XOXO Designs by Joanne, and I wanted to welcome you back to my channel. My goal, 10 under 10. You give me 10 minutes or less of your time, and I'll give you a project you can do for under $10. So let's jump right in. Today I'm going to be putting heat transfer vinyl on this cork board that I got at Target. Very cute in the dollar section. It was $3, and we're going to go put a design on that. So my heat press is heating up right now. So let's get started. I'm in my design space, and I chose an image from Design Space that says the future of the world is in my classroom. Thought that would look really cute for a teacher. I want my image to be 7 inches long and 8 inches wide. So it is unlocked right now because I already unlocked it. But normally it would come in and be locked like this. So we're going to unlock it, and we're going to grab this little green arrowy thing, and we're going to make it 7 inches long and drag it to 8.5. Okay, so that will fit well on my apple cork board. So it's exactly the way I want it. I'm going to click Make It. And the thing you want to always remember when you're working with HTV is to mirror your image, or you're going to have to throw it out and start all over again. So along with that, on your Cricut, you are going to turn your settings on to iron. All right, so the setting is on iron on. We have our image mirrored. We're going to click Continue. And we're going to click the double arrows. Then click the C. And our image will be cutting. So another important reminder is when you're putting your HTV vinyl, mine I have on this roll, you want to put the shiny side down, because that is where your carrier sheet is. So you want to put that face down, or you will not be able to use your design. All right, so we're going to trim this up. I'm just trying to see where I'm at. All right, so I actually think it's just a little bit, so I'm just going to use my weeding tool and grab it off the carrier sheet. Okay, these are pretty easy to weed. Just kind of pull it back. And I could have trimmed that up a little right there, so I did waste a little bit of vinyl, but that's okay for now. Okay. I usually like to check the other side to make sure that I'm getting everything that I need to get off. And I'm going to finish weeding this and be right back. Okay, so I finished weeding my design, and now I'm going to place it onto my cork board. Okay. And you want to center it on there. So what I do is I fold it sticky side away from each other, and then you find your middle, and you place it on. Okay, so we're going to go over to the heat press now. So we're over at the heat press. It is preheated to 320. I have my design placed onto the cork board where I want it. And okay, I'm going to put my Teflon sheet over it. And I'm going to set it for 10 seconds. Just to see if it adheres. Okay. Because remember, you could always add more heat, but you cannot take it away. All right, so that's not ready right there. Needs a little bit more time. So we're just going to put the Teflon sheet back on and press it down for a few more seconds. Okay. Okay, so that was enough time for it to stick. But what we're going to do is we put the Teflon sheet over it one more time, and we're going to press it for 15 seconds. This way we're making sure that it is adhered properly to the cork board. Okay, here it is. Cute, adorable, easy, and any teacher would love to hang this in their classroom. So, for a total of $4.83, you can have that cute little cork board for a teacher's gift. Okay, the $3 was on the cork board. The $1.83 was for the HTV vinyl. We used 7 inches by 8.5 inches. So the total cost for that glitter HTV vinyl came to $1.83. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time for more 10 under 10. Bye!